Agent, can you hear me? Now, don't worry, the briefcase is safe. Do you remember what happened? Your memory might be a bit patchy from the attack. Well, take all the time you need. You're back at headquarters and you're perfectly safe. You'll find a tape on the desk in front of you. Load the tape into the projector console on your right. Now, I imagine you might recognize that bomb disposal device in front of you from your time as a cadet. In fact, given the wear and tear, it might be the same one. Well, I'm sure it still works. Now, let's see. How do I... yes, there it goes. Oh, just a bit further now. Right, disarm this bomb, if you would. Wonderful! Yes! Next, the machine should dispense a grenade for you. There it is. Let's use it. You've got it. Why don't you pick it up and bring it closer? Now, try using your telekinesis to hover the grenade nearby. Yes, exactly. Good, your telekinesis is still working. I hear that when those things malfunction, it's usually very messy. Now to dispose of that grenade. Use your telekinesis to place it inside the blast chamber. Good. Shut the door. Yes, exactly. Good. For your final test, you will need to dispose of 3 more explosives hidden around the examination room. Good luck. I've left you a list, so you know what you're looking for. I suggest you hover the clipboard nearby, so you can refer to it as you conduct your search. You've got it. Search the exam room, Agent. Find and dispose of every explosive. How very cunning of you, Agent. Search the exam room, Agent. Find and dispose of every explosive. Excellent. I'll make a special note regarding your technique. Well, now that we know that it's working properly, try placing an explosive inside. Well done. Good work, Agent. You've passed all of the tests with flying colors. I've got just about everything I need. Don't worry, Agent. I've got everything under control.
From the spotlight, I can see you. Play your cards right, kill your stage fright. This could be you. If all the world's a stage, let's set it on fire. So you'll be the spy and I'll be the liar. From the background, you can hear me. Highest billing makes a killing. They revere me. That beautiful mask you wear is all I desire. So you'll be the spy and I'll be the liar. Face to face again. And through the camera lens we ascend. You're a minor part, I'm the major star. Ha! The credits are more than just the end. 'Cause the truth is, I despise you. I will tear apart all these works of art that disguise you. I'm making the final cut, it's down to the wire. So you'll be the spy and I'll be the liar. And I'll be the liar. And I'll be the liar. And I'll be the liar.
I know this van isn't as luxurious as your old office, but we can't let Zoraxis know you survived your last mission. You've got a knack for putting a wrench in Dr. Zor's plans, so Zoraxis employees may not react kindly if they recognize you. On the bright side, now you've got a mini-fridge. As usual, Zoraxis Corporation is up to something vile and nefarious, but we haven't been able to figure out what. The Prime Minister is certainly making himself a target. Keep an ear to the radio agent. You never know what they might let slip. Now, your briefing materials should be arriving any second. Where's that blasted courier? Aha! Speak of the devil. Take the cartridge from the tray on your right and load it gently into the cartridge viewer in front of you. Now, our intel indicates the Prime Minister is attending an event in Manhattan tonight. My instincts say Zoraxis will try something there, and my instincts are only wrong about half the time. Oh, and the event is hosted by Hollywood actor John Juniper. Oh, I'm such a fan. His performance in Marigolds Are Forever was so... Excuse me. Let's get you undercover so we can figure out what Zoraxis is up to. Marigolds are forever.
Mediterranean Commonwealth has this to say.
I'll say it again. I don't trust Zoraxis. If they want to operate here, they'll have to get through me first.
Welcome to another installment.
Whatever Zoraxis is planning will be backstage. Find the threat and take it out without blowing your cover. I managed to snag a ticket to the show, so I'll keep an eye on the Prime Minister. You know, for a man who could launch 50 nukes with the push of a button, he's much more grandfatherly than I expected. Well, find out what Zoraxis is up to.
Attention stage crew, today's the big day. If anything goes wrong with my play, well, remember what happened to that sound designer.
Wait, what happened to Jerry?
Set the stage, everyone. I want an impeccable performance from all of you. Oh, you up there, up in the catwalk. Be sure to follow the new instructions I left on your clipboard.
That voice sounds familiar. Stay on your guard, Agent.
We're almost ready to go. Keep an eye on your cue light. I'll turn it on when we're ready for curtain up. Stage is set. Raise the curtain. Ready for Juniper's spotlight.
Good evening, everyone. Now, I know what you're thinking. John, these tickets cost more than my yacht. This better be good. I also want to take the opportunity to make a special announcement. I've got something new in production. I can't say too much yet, but I can safely say that you've never seen anything like it. For tonight, though, let's move on to the main event.
I'm lowering the mask. Stage 2 team, get to your positions. Gas masks on.
Oh, I do not like the look of that mask, Agent.
Welcome, honored guests. We may live in an age of... But fear not, this castle is solidly built.
What?
These strong
That's not...
walls and welded gates will
Zoraxis team,
seal us
someone's
away
tampered
from
with the
the
mask.
horrors that
We're
await us.
moving up the timeline.
This is not part of the show. Everybody run!
My mask! Zoraxis employees, change of plan. Find whoever did this. I want them dead.
I knew that voice was familiar. Agent, she's a Zoraxis operative, known as the Fabricator. That is not an idle threat. Stay alive until I can get an evac team to you.
The agent's on the catwalk.
Those are Zoraxis trained operatives. It's them or you, Agent.
I've got a lock on the agent. Lock the exit.
I'm on it. I'm covering your left.
I'm right across from the target. I've got a clear line of sight.
Hang on, Agent. Just 2 left. Well, I think that's the last of them. I lost sight of the Prime Minister in the chaos, but I think he made it out. No sign of the Fabricator either. Well, let's debrief back at the van. It's not fair you're the only one who gets to meet John Juniper. I had no small part in thwarting the theater attack, you know. The head office really doesn't understand the complexities.
Signal live. lost.
Please make yourself comfortable. Why don't you order something to eat? This is my personal aircraft, and I like to keep it well stocked. That's my personal property, Agent. It's of no use to you, I promise.
Passenger identification failed. Initiating elimination protocol.
I can't believe this! My flight staff forgot to shut off the security system. I am so sorry. I'll need to have a word with them. Bad news. I can't shut off the lasers from here. You're a spy, though, so you can just disarm them or something, right? Like, whenever I play a spy, that's the sort of thing I do. Why'd you put it on? No, it's fine. Just take it off. All right, that's enough now. Don't touch those flight controls.
Right, just there, yes. Is this working? Agent, what's happening? Wait, you're heading to a Zoraxis airbase.
Outgoing message.
I don't like the sound of that.
The theater operations
Okay, I can help here.
Did it?
Let's see. Reroute the plane to somewhere safe.
Warn you about outside
Yeah.
interference.
Yes, I just got you clearance at the agency airport in Lisbon. You're welcome.
Location override approved. To a new destination. Arrive at Lisbon sometime tonight.
What? How did... Sorry, Agent. This plan's been years in the making. I am not letting you off this plane. Plan B. Launch the missile.
Missile threat incoming. Defense system online. Press button to activate. System malfunction. Attempting reboot. Failure. Manual reset required.
I've got an idea. Okay, let me see. Warning. High voltage may cause instant death. Yes, let's skip to the important part. On your left, press down all breakers that have triangles in an upward position. That's a little obtuse. You've got it. You're 2 steps ahead of me. Remove both cards. With a circle thingy in the middle. And good. Next, locate the serial number on the panel above the memory cards. It just says here to set the slider to the number in the 11th digit. Doesn't say where the slider is, what the slider is. Yes, exactly. All right, place the last card next to the slot with a symbol that looks like a spider? Or, you've got it.
Come on, Agent. You're trapped on a plane above the Atlantic Ocean. There's nowhere to run. Just die already.
Never meet your heroes, Agent. Now, chin up. We're almost through this. Oh, yes. Perfect. You're a mind reader. set all the needles to green. Kind of like that alien we met with the Russians last summer. Oh, wait, never mind. Never speak of that to anyone. Good. No. I can see the missile on my radar display. Agent, we need to hurry. Now, all of the needles should be set to black. That should be easy enough for you. Yes, exactly. Now, return to the memory card panel and push the slider to the number of breakers you pressed down in step 1. You've got it. Have you done this before, Agent? Flip the switches with symbols that look like, top hats. Ah, yes. Perfect.
Defense system rebooting. Reset success. Defensive flare malfunction. Missile impact imminent. To fire flares, manually slide over the sensor on the ground while safely on the ground. Threat averted. Autopilot re-engaged. New destination, Lisbon.
You blew up the missile? There's only one agent who could have pulled that off, and they died on the death engine. Unless... Gibson, get Zora on the phone. I believe a pesky phoenix has risen from the ashes.
Agent, I don't know what to... I mean, John Juniper. The John Juniper tried to kill you. Oh, for the love of... He's nothing sacred. Well, that must mean he was working with the Fabricator on the theater attack. If he's involved with Zoraxis, we need to find out what he's up to.